Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the quick switcher keybind on Discord so you can teleport to like your most visited channel easily. If you press Command K or Control K depending on what device you use, you'll be hello? Oh, sorry, I was not on Discord. You'll be redirected to this like tab here. It says where would you like to go? As you can see, those two pages are the like pages I kind of visit the most. Um, this is just like my second account for like tutorials and such. That's why I don't have a lot. But you can like go to the area you want to go to by pressing on it. So it's quicker to like switch between channels. If like you're on a voice channel and you visit two voice channels a lot, you can switch in between them by just pressing Control K instead of like searching for the server itself. That's how you can use the quick switcher. Again, it's Command or Control K. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.